What's going on, guys? Angelo here. Welcome to Around the Track. This is where we talk about all the hot and new things going on within the coast community. And today I got some news coming out of King's Dominion regarding Flight of Fear as well as Drop Tower. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Alrighty, so first things first, we're going to start with Drop Tower. And the great news about Drop Tower is it's finally getting a repaint. This is long overdue. This thing has been faded, and it's good to see that they're putting in some work on a flat ride. I wish it would be a roller coaster, but we'll get to that in just a little bit. So as you all can see from some of the pictures, they've just kind of started to get ready, and because of the rain, it's been raining a little bit here. Today's February 13th when I'm recording this, and we've literally been getting rain like the whole week. So credit for this goes to Park fans, and you can check out their Twitter. I'll leave it in the link in the description below. Some other great news is that they're actually working on Flight of Fear. Yes, Flight of Fear does have maintenance problems, obviously. It rolls back basically every month, usually during the season now. But they're actually doing some work on the welding, and as you can see, these welds look horrible. When I saw the pictures, I couldn't believe it, and I just was like, who in the world are they hiring to do this stuff? It kind of reminded me of like how volcano supports look like. They're just really rusted. I don't know what they're doing, but thank goodness that they are working on it. So hopefully this ride will be a different experience for this upcoming 2020 season. And as you all can kind of see from the pictures, and these are some really high quality pictures, so shout out to the guy who got these. If you don't remember from a while back on the channel, if you've been subscribing to me that long, since like 2016, I actually worked at King's Dominion, and I remember going back there and seeing like the extra trains and whatnot. If you want to check out the video, it's in the top right corner. But basically, when I went back there, I used to actually work this ride, and the funny part is that we'll turn the lights on like at the beginning, because during our test ride we can turn the lights on or off. There's literally just a key to control it. Wish I got a picture of the control panel for you guys, but I had a really crappy camera at the time, and I wasn't even using a GoPro back then. It was like a really cheap action camera. I forgot where I even got the thing from. But anyways, though, I don't ever remember the supports looking that bad, so it's obviously gotten worse. I'm glad that they're working on it now, but it's something that I feel like they could have been done. They had extra money, especially through the past years, to do stuff with the park, but at least they're doing it now, so you can't say that they're not working on stuff. The one thing that I really hope this park does, though, is repaint Intimidator. Oh my gosh. This ride is faded so bad. Now, in certain areas, it looks still good, but for the most part, the sun has just baked this thing to crisp, and it's so faded. It looks almost pink at this point. In certain areas, it definitely looks pink. Even when you're riding the coaster, you can tell it's definitely faded now. And I would love to see a repaint on this, but I feel like it would honestly take a whole entire season to do so. This is Intimidator 305's 10th anniversary, for those of all who don't know. I think it was April 3rd or April 6th when it opened to the public. But yeah, so I'm excited for that. I can't wait to ride it again for this year. I know last year they redid the trains. I did a POV and whatnot for all of that. And the other part that they do need to repaint is Rebel Yell and/or Racer 75. They never repainted the top of the hill, so I really hope they just splash some paint on there. That's all it needs. It's nothing crazy. Hopefully they do it. We'll see. I think the opening date is like the 28th, and Busch Gardens opening day is going to be the 15th. So I'm so ready for Pantheon and the member preview day for that. I cannot wait to go down there and ride that thing. That's all for this video today. I hope you all did enjoy. I hope you guys kind of like seeing this type of content a little bit more. Let me know how the audio is also. And remember to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Enable post notifications to stay up to date with everything that's happening on the channel. Till next time, you guys. Peace.